So this hack is how to get more out of your fish. So it's fish wings. Now this is an underused part of the fish, but it's really important in this day and age to use everything you can. So I'm going to take the fillet off the fish, which you use for your fillet of fish for whatever you want to do. And then the front portion where this little fin is, this is called a fish wing, and they're delicious. They're like bony and they've got like really good flavor. So I'm just going to simply deep fry them with a bit of batter, serve them with some chili sauce. So first thing I'll do is I'm going to take off the fillet, like so. That's the fillet, so you can use that for your fillet. And then the wing is this part here, right up into the head, and all the way around the gill cavity, like so. So that is it, that's the fish wing. Obviously you can take the fin off if you want, I'll leave it on, I'll just eat around it. And there's 2 fish wings to every fish. So there's your 2 fillets there, your 2 wings here, and then that to make fish stock. Okay, so I've made a really quick tempura batter here with some lager, and I've got my fish wings here, some oil that's at 180 degrees. I'm just going to dredge them in the batter and fry them. And then just going to lift them, lovely, look at those deep fried fish wings out. A little bit of sweet chili sauce there, sea salt. So there you have it. Fish wings. They're sort of like chicken wings, but fish.